In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use collections in Perplexity to organize your research. If you've ever wished your research threads were easier to find and group, collections in Perplexity make that simple. We'll start by getting to the right place, then create a new collection, and finally add research threads to it so everything stays neat and accessible. First, log into Perplexity at perplexity.ai. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar on desktop and click Library. If you're on mobile, open the side menu and tap Library there. This is your hub for saved work. Under the section labeled Collections or Spaces, you'll see any collections you've already created. You'll also notice a plus button that lets you add something new. Keep that in mind. We'll use it in a moment. Now let's create a new collection. Click the plus button next to Collections. You'll be given a choice between creating a collection or a space. A collection is perfect for personal organization, while a space is built for team collaboration. If you're working solo, choose Create Collection. When prompted, give it a descriptive name that makes sense at a glance, like AI Ethics Research or Market Trends Q2. Clear names help you find things faster later on and keep your work tidy as your research library grows. With your new collection ready, it's time to fill it. Run a search on the topic you're exploring, either a regular search or a pro search if you want a deeper dive. Let the search complete so you can review the results and ensure the thread is the one you want to keep. When you're ready to save it, look for the bookmark icon or a button labeled Save or Add to Collection. Click that, then choose the collection you just created. This attaches the entire research thread to your collection so you can return to it anytime without scrolling through your history. You can repeat this process as you continue researching. Each time you finish a search and want to keep the thread, use the bookmark or save option and assign it to the appropriate collection. Over time, you'll build a well-organized set of topics, each with its own saved threads, making it much easier to track your progress and pick up where you left off. That's it. You've accessed your library, created a collection with a clear name, and saved your research threads into it. Keep your workflow consistent, and your collections will become a powerful, easy-to-navigate archive of your best findings.